Okay, so the last type of scenario that you may come across when you're working through some problems with calorimeters is a different type of calorimeter called a bomb calorimeter. So a bomb calorimeter, really, it's used specifically for doing combustion reactions. And you'll notice that the surroundings, when you're doing the calculation, there's no mass value. It's just C times delta T. So the C value that's used here is actually the heat capacity of the container itself. So typically bomb calorimeters are made up of a certain type of metal. So you could have like a copper bomb calorimeter or an aluminum bomb calorimeter, an iron one. So this would be the heat capacity of whatever the bomb calorimeter is actually made of. And then the change in temperature would be the change in temperature of the surrounding still as well. So a bomb calorimeter is technically considered to be an isolated system within itself, because essentially what's happening is you have your component here that you want to combust. So let's say this is, I don't know, ethanol. Okay, so you have a sealed container. So here's the bomb calorimeter itself, right? So this is what I mean by being made of copper or iron, whatever it happens to be. And the container is filled with oxygen. So what ends up happening is this electrical source provides a spark, and which creates the combustion reaction to actually get started. So what ends up happening there is lots of energy is released through this process. The change in temperature is then monitored. So the only difference, pardon me, the only difference when you are doing this is that there is no mass of water within the system that you are, the system is not coming in contact with the surrounding water. So technically it's not considered when we're doing that, okay? So another thing to keep in mind is normally the units for C are joules per gram per degree Celsius. When you're dealing with a bomb calorimeter, the units are only joules per degree Celsius, because there is no units of grams for this. Okay, so just a different type of scenario that you may come across. All right, that's it for this lesson, and I'll see you at the next one.